Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair our Wi-Fi. Friends, you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network in your Tecno phone, so friends you can unpair it. And guys now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Tecno phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So then first of all open your phone setting to unpair your Wi-Fi network. So we will on our phone setting, and guys you can see this type of setting. Guys click on your Wi-Fi setting, which Wi-Fi network guys you have paired, and guys you want to unpair. So guys how can you unpair? And when you want to share this Wi-Fi, so guys you can share from here also guys. So we will press on Wi-Fi network, and guys you can see this forget option to unpair means unpair. So your Wi-Fi network will unpair. So when you will pair, so you will have to enter password again. So I hope friends you have understood how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Techno phone. So that's it again. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.